Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting learning time with Miss Blessing. In this video, we're going to be learning to multiply and divide by 6. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to know how to multiply and divide by 6 using grouping method. Come along, let's learn together. Now let's quickly revise before we proceed to learning how to multiply by 6 using grouping. Now 2 multiply 1 is 3 multiply 4 is equals to 4 multiply 4 is equals to 5 multiply 3 is equals to and 6 multiply 2 is equals to. Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. I hope you wrote down your answers. Now, as I show the correct answers, you check and see if you've got them all correctly. I bet you will. Okay, so 2 multiply 1 is 2, 3 multiply 4 is 12, 4 multiply 4 is 16, 5 multiply 3 is 15, and 6 multiply 2 is 12. Give yourself a thumbs up if you got it all correctly. Now, I have 2 more for you to have a go. When we multiply the numbers we are multiplying are called factors. If you said factors, you're correct. And the answer is called what? That is, when we multiply, the numbers we are multiplying are called factors. But what about the answers? The answers are called what? Products. The answers are called. Remember once again that we are learning to multiply and divide by 6. And in today's lesson, we are going to be learning to do so using grouping method. Now, there are how many lots of how many treats? Now, how many lots do we have? That is, how many bowls do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 lots of how many treats? Now you need to count how many treats are inside each of the bowl. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 4 lots of 6 treats. Now how many treats are there in total? We need to count all the treats in all the bowls together. We count all these, add it to this, add it to this, add this to this, and when we are done counting, we are going to be getting 24. So there are 24 treats in total. Now, what would be our multiplication sentence? Our multiplication sentence would be 4 multiply 6 equals to 24. Now, let's look at how we can get a division sentence using the same method we have just used here. Remember, division is the inverse of multiplication. Now, let's see how this works out. Now, there are how many treats altogether? We already discovered that there are how many? 24 treats altogether. There are 24 treats altogether. And they were shared between how many bowls? 1, 2, 3, 4. They were shared between four bowls. Now there are how many treats in each bowl? There are 6. There are 6 treats in each bowl. So what will be our division sentence? Our division sentence would be 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6, or 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. Remember, multiplication is commutative. It doesn't matter the order of the number. As long as it's the same number, you will get the same results. I hope this is clear, knowing how to multiply and divide by 6 using grouping. Let's see one more example. This is your turn to have a go. Pause the video and write a fact family of your calculation to match this array. Okay, welcome back. So, what would be our multiplication sentence? We have 2 mats. Multiply 6 cats, because on each mat we have 6 cats. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 mats multiplied by 6, and that would give us what? 12. When we add the cats on the first mat and the cats on the second mat together, we are going to get 12. So 2 times 6 is 12, or 6 times 12 is what? 6 times 2 is 12. Now, what will be our division sentence? So we're going to have 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6, or 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. I hope this is clear. Go ahead and create your own questions, make your own drawings, and try to write a fact family of your calculation to match your drawings. I hope this is clear. Let me know how you feel about today's lesson, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.